think how to do this question, right? Now here, if you consider D and B, these two places, D and B, this is easily you can understand how to get X value, right? From the D and B, if you consider from D and B, go to center, and from the same D and B, go to circumference, like this, right here. Look again, from the D and B, go to center, and from the same two places, D and B, go to circumference, like this. So when you have this type of situation, what we have learned, this center one is twice of the circumference one, this one. That means x will be equal to twice of 80, right? So you can write, well, the x equal twice of 80, 2 into 80, right? This will be equal to twice of this one, right? From the same two place, D and B, D and B, D and B go to center. From the D and B go to circumference, like that. So this will be equal to twice of this. So easily you can write x will be equal to 168 into 2, 80 into 2, right? So this is the answer for x. Okay, now how to get y value? This little you have to think again. But when you have cyclic quadrilateral, right? We have learned when you have cyclic quadrilateral, what the opposite angle are normally we call opposite angle supplementary, right? That means this angle plus this angle, right, should be 180. This plus this should be 180. Same way, this plus this also should be 180. So using that theorem, you can tell this plus this must be 180, right? So you can write like this way, right? What the 80 plus, what the DAB, that means this angle will be equal to 180, right? So if you need to get DAB, bring this a to this side, so 180 minus 80, it will become DAB, what the 100, right? So now we got this angle also, here should be 100, and earlier we got this one should be 160. X equal 160, we got know that. Now we can write this all four angle should be how much? 360. Inside any quadrilateral, interior angle must be 360. So you can write here what the 100, that means this angle, right? This one plus this one, this is 40, no? Okay, 40 plus this one, x we got know already here, x equal what the 160, and plus y, this angle should be how much? It must be equal to 360, right? 360. Now if you slow this one, you can find y, right? Okay, let's add it. 160 plus 40 mean 200, no? 200 plus 300, 100 mean 300. It will be 300 plus y equal 360. So very easy, 360 minus 300, it will be what the y will be equal to 60. Y equals 60 degree and x equal 160.